Hey guys, how's it going? Recently, Seven Sparta reached out to me to test out their Paracord handles. They sent them to me in the blue that matches the OBX interior. Gonna give them a quick review, install them, and see how they work out. Let's get to it. A big thank you to Seven Sparta for providing the product for this video. The handles arrived neatly packaged in a branded box. They have some nice Seven Sparta branding on them, and they're tightly wound and look really nice. These handles are also reversible, so it gives you the option of all blue or more black than blue on the handle. As you can see, they're a really good colour match to the Outer Banks blue. Starting on the driver's side, I removed the first bolt with an 8mm socket. Pull out the bolt and insert it in the hole in the paracord handle. Then reinsert the bolt into the roll bar and tighten it down. Remove the second bolt and repeat the process. Insert it into the paracord handle and then reinsert it into the roll bar. Tighten it down and the first handle is complete. I've recorded this video pretty much in real time, so you can see how long it actually takes to install all 4 handles. Moving to the passenger side, it's the same process. Remove the bolt, insert it into the hole in the paracord handle, and then reinsert it into the roll bar. Now it's time for the passenger side rear handle. You'll notice I pull the handle to the side slightly as I tighten it down. It's just so that they lay nicely when the installation is complete. And finally, it's time for the driver's side rear handle. As you can see, they've got some great strength to them. They're not going anywhere. A really nice look that complements the interior.
There you go, another really quick and easy install.
Paracord handles from Seven Sparta. They're really strong, durable, match the OBX interior really well. Tell me in the comments what you think. Do you think they're a great idea? Do you not like them very much with the blue? You'd rather have black? They have them as well. So check out Seven Sparta Paracord handles, and I'll catch you next time.